here. Welcome to my channel. It's the first video of 2018, first of many. And in this first video, I'm showing you guys my natural 8. Natural 8 meaning how to get this natural beat face with only 8 products, all right? So I'm going to show you guys how to do that, again, with only 8 products. So stay tuned. I got you. Alright guys, these are the top 8 products I use on a daily basis to get my natural looking face. It's very easy, very simple. Let me get to it. Alright, so I'm using my Maybelline Fit foundation in Cool 362. I like this foundation because this is specifically the matte and poreless foundation, and it's really good for oily to combination skin. The coverage is really good, and it covers well without feeling heavy and thick. So I really do like that about this foundation, and I love the fact that it matches my complexion. So there's that. And I'm just using my Technique buffing brush to buff it all in. Here I'm using LA Girl Cosmetics concealer in Fawn. And as you can tell, it's definitely a few shades lighter than my complexion, but I want to make sure I eliminate any dark circles, give my face that kind of like little pop, you know, highlight. So that's why I'm looking like I'm about to enter war. Now I'm blending it with my sponge. You want to make sure that you're using a sponge or a beauty blender, that it's moist. All right, you want it to be a little damp, and that's going to help spread the product and blend it in seamlessly. So you just want to blend away. Your arm should hurt you at this point. And it hurts. Now I'm using my Nye Banana Powder, loose powder, to kind of set the areas that I highlighted, and also to make sure that it doesn't crease, and this will make sure my makeup lasts longer. And so that I don't look an ashy mess, I'm going to take my MAC Mineralize Skinfinsh in Deep Dark and use that to whisk the excess powder away from my face. But because I'm using the powder, it's going to add a little bit of color back into my skin as well. Alright, Salon Perfect Brow Pomade in Dark Brown is what I'm using here to fill in my brow. So I like to frame the bottom of my brow, frame the top, and then fill it in with small strokes. And your eyebrows should definitely be like a gradient, right? So it should start off light and then get darker as it follows down your brow. So it shouldn't be like, you know, dark throughout. It should definitely fade into it to give it a more natural effect. And to clean it up, I'm using a combination of the Fawn and also my foundation to clean up my brow, make sure that, you know, covering up any hairs or any mistakes that I made filling it in. And don't be afraid to use your fingers to blend it all out, because you want to make sure you definitely prevent the halo brow. Alrighty, so I'm applying here my LA Girl Cosmetics as a primer for my eye, and I'm using the Fenty Dual Highlighter in Killawatt. So this is a combination of Moscow Mule and Ginger Binge that I'm applying on my eyeball with my finger, by the way. And on the cheek, I'm actually using Ginger Binge. And of course, my Loreal Paris Voluminous Mascara. Love it. It gives me length and volume at the same time. And some will use Splash or lip gloss, y'all. I have no idea what it is. Just a clear lip gloss, actually. And then to highlight those cheekbones, I'm using, again, the Fenty Dual Highlighter in Moscow Mule. So I'm using that to highlight my cheekbones, my nose, and I'm done. Check me out. Thank you guys so much for watching my tutorial. I hope you guys liked it. I'll be putting all the products that I used in the description box below, so check that out. And don't forget to leave me a comment. Let me know what kind of videos you want to see in the future. And follow me on all my social media platforms at So Siobhan. Alright, in the words of my Trini mom, all you good? Alright, see you guys later. Bye.